Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you our free employee timesheet template that is available on our website. So here's the template that we have available for you. You can see that employee information can be entered, and the employee's time can be entered down here, and the hours worked will be automatically calculated. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So the first thing you can do with the employee timesheet is go over here into cell B3 and start typing some of the employee details. So let's just say this is Jack Bauer's timesheet, and his phone number is 999-333-2222. And let's say his manager is Tony Almeida, and his phone number is 999-333-2221. And if we go down here into C9, let's say the start date is 2/19 and the end date is 2/25. So we've done most of the math for you behind the scenes on the employee time card. So let's just say on 2/19, Jack came in at 5 a.m. and I'm going to type 5:00. And then let's say his lunch started at 11 a.m. and it ended at 11:30 a.m. And then let's say he punched out at 7 p.m. And I can see that was a very long day of 13.5 hours. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. So then over here on 2/20, let's say he came in at midnight. And if I don't type AM here, it's going to default to 12 o'clock noon. And then let's say his lunch started at 10 a.m. And for that, I can just do 10 o'clock. And then lunch ended at 10:10 a.m. because he doesn't really take a lunch. And then his time out was 11 p.m. So I'm going to type 11:00 and then a P after that. And I can see that he worked 22.83 hours. And then I can go down here and I can type in the time for the other days. But as this is being entered, you can see that the daily hours worked are being calculated. And if I scroll up here, I can see that the total hours for the week being worked are also being summed up here. And I can see how many regular hours there are. And the time card will also calculate overtime hours. So let's just put one more in. Let's put 2/21 in. So let's say he came in at 8 o'clock a.m. this day because he was really slacking, and lunch started at 12 o'clock. And let's say lunch ended at 1 o'clock p.m. and he punched out of work at 5 o'clock p.m. And if I hit enter, I can see that that was an 8-hour workday. But if I look up here, now that I have exceeded the 40 hours, I can see that the overtime hours are going to calculate automatically. So hopefully this is a useful tool for you keeping track of employee hours. If you would like more instructions on how to use this, I'm going to include a link to our blog entry in the description below. So feel free to click there and get more details on our website. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.